A loud banging sound during the spin cycle of a washer is often caused by overloading, as a tightly packed drum prevents the washer from spinning freely. To address this, reducing the load size is necessary to give clothes enough room to spin around. Checking the user manual for the recommended weight per wash cycle can be helpful. An unbalanced wash load can also lead to banging sounds, particularly when mixing heavy items with light ones, resulting in an uneven load. To avoid this, washing bulky items separately from lighter ones is recommended. Additionally, ensuring the washer is properly leveled is crucial, as an uneven surface can cause banging noises during the spin cycle. This can be achieved by adjusting each foot of the washer individually until the machine is level, using a bubble level for guidance. Furthermore, inspecting the tub bearings is essential, as they are prone to wear and tear due to constant rotation, and replacing them with new ones if they are worn out can resolve the issue. By addressing these potential causes, the banging sound during the spin cycle can be effectively resolved.